Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, as I promised, we're gonna do venison enchiladas. Now, these are incredible. They taste just like beef enchiladas. Like, it doesn't have that gamey, chewy flavor or texture when you do it this way. I actually fed it to a group of deer hunters last weekend, and they said that it was the best Mexican food that they had ever had. So I figure that is a definite win. We'll get to it in just a minute.
With every star, we are born again. Open your heart. Ships in the harbor, 1, 2 lives to be lived. We rejoice, the 1, 2 set sail, with no thought of the ship coming in. 1, 2 feet back on dry land, and I'm ready to go out again. I long for the salt in the air, giving me freedom, taking my care away. We go, away we go. Oh, my sweet darling, I'll follow the shore and the key. Oh, I will find you, if only love is real. Hurricanes and gales, mountains made of ice, our cathedrals in midair. 1, 2 ships to cross paths, 7 lifetimes we meet at last. Away we go.
So the enchiladas are done. Here are the enchiladas. They are amazing. My alarm just went off. In 30 minutes, I am interviewing Dr. Barry on my channel. So that is going to be up on Saturday. Make sure that you come back on Saturday to hear us talk about keto and kids and the proper human diet for tiny people. Let me get a plate, and then I will show you what these guys look like and eat a few bites for you. Drip, drip. Okay. Oh, there's a giant cheese. There they are. I think the key to these is how big you cut the chunks up into. before you pressure cook it. So I did like 1 inch, maybe 1.5 inch cubes. And so when you shred the meat, it still stays about that long, but that's bite size. And so when you shred it all apart, it makes it really tender and really good. So I'm gonna get a fork. There's leftovers that didn't fit into these. Really, really good with eggs, or you can put it into some of the Wonder Bread 2.0. I'll link that up above in case you're interested in that recipe. So let me cut into these. They're super hot right now because I just pulled them out. And these were wrapped in just the deli meat. So good. So much flavor. You don't have to do a ton of cheese on these, honestly. There's so much flavor in the meat. With the enchilada sauce, this is the stuff that I like to use. I get it on Amazon. It's actually some of the cleanest stuff that I've found. It does have some cane sugar in it. It's at the very end. Feel free to make your own. I don't have time to make my own. And I don't think that a little bit of cane sugar at the end of the list of ingredients, it's less than 2%, is going to have too much of an impact. It does have carbs in it because it's plants. Plants have carbs in them. So this is a huge favorite of all of ours. We absolutely love this stuff, and we will be eating this for a long time to come. This, the cuts of venison that I used was actually the ham. So it's supposed to be, you know, one of the chewier, tougher parts, and pressure cooking it that way really helps to soften up the meat. It's like a chuck roast, you know, it could be a kind of a chewy cut on a cow. Same concept. So cut them into the right size cubes, pressure cook them with lots of flavor. The broth that's left over is absolutely gorgeous and it tastes amazing. It has a lot of really good flavor, so definitely save the broth as well for cooking later on. Venison broth, super lean. There's almost no fat up on the top. And just the whole dish is just absolutely amazing. So I hope that you guys like this as much as we do. Please do all of the things. Thanks so much for checking in with us, and I will see you on Saturday for an interview with Dr. Barry. We'll see you guys on the way. Bye. I think the key to these, oh, that's hot. The key to these, I have a fork right here.
Hello, my baby. Hello, my baby.
Oh, did you trip on thin air?
No. Thick, thin air.
Thick thin air. You tripped on thick air. It's still recording.
That's good.
We need to try it with green sauce too.
You know I like it better with green sauce.
I like it better with green sauce too, but that's just me. There's a green sauce too. You can do it with green sauce.
You know, if you didn't get in trouble for using Hello, my baby on there. So you're gonna have to cut that out.
I'm sure it'll be fine. Plus, you didn't even sing the lyrics right.
Or do the dance like the frog does.
Exactly, you're totally fine.
Or the alien does.
Totally fine.
Whatever. So
you want to beat me off?